Let's dive into today's updates. Like, I'll be showing you how you'll be able to withdraw your goods to your exchange wallet. Okay, let's start, not to waste much of our time. Okay, you click on withdraw. Okay, then you decide the exchange you want to transfer to: Bitget, KuCoin, Gates, Make, Bitmart. Who knows? I'm surprised who knows to Coin W. Wow. Well, let me choose Bitget, one of the most popular. I prefer to use Bitget for better trading. Others are good also, but I prefer to use Bitget. Okay, then you click on yes, you have it. If you don't have it, you try and download it. Okay, click on yes, I have it. Then you go enter your Bitget UID. Okay, to get your Bitget UID, make sure you're having you have the wallet open. Okay, to get your Bitget UID, you click on this very four dots, three dot that is at the left top corner. So you click on it, you see it below your username, you see it UID. Then you click on it, you copy it, you go back, then you minimize and go back to your Telegram. Then you click, then you paste it. Then for the address, you minimize and go to the Bitget wallet. Then you click on add funds. Click on add funds. Click on deposit crypto. Then you search for goods. Okay, search for goods. You see it's below the second one. It's under Tom blockchain. Okay, it's already there. You don't need to change. Just copy the wallet address. Okay, copy it. Once you copy it, you write copied. Then you minimize and go back. Then you enter the address. Enter the address. Then you click withdraw. Okay, then it's going to ask you like how many percent of the your tokens are you going to withdraw, because I guess there's a staking program that is on. You can stake your token for a particular set of time, you know so that you can at least get more token. But for me, I already staked, so what is left now, I want to transfer. So I'm clicking 100%. Okay, then after that, then you click on withdraw. You see, it said go to withdraw. It's processing, I guess. Yeah, so that is how it's done.